In this video, we will see 3 ways to get SEO-friendly domains at Namecheap.com. And this website is best place to get your domain name. I buy domains from this site, and here I will show how you can find and search domains. Number 1, domain name search. Number 2, buy at Namecheap marketplace. Number 3, domain name generator. There are hundreds of domain extensions available, but in my review you should go for .com and .org domains, as these are popular and high in demand. Moreover, .com domains are brandable and you can sell it from $10 to $1,000 on platforms like Flippa and Namecheap.com. So we will start and find a domain in micro niche category. There are a lot of categories available where you can research and find domain names. So at first window we will go to Namecheap.com and we will go for domain name search. So here is the domain name search bar, and on second window we will search for best selling product on Amazon and then click, and here we will click on this link, the most popular items, and now we are all best selling products are available. Look at these products are best selling. So there are a lot of departments available here. So there are 1 to 7 products. They are best sellers in home and kitchen now. So these are the items. Look at. So you can also drag more categories and more products by clicking on any of the item from there and see more. So we'll go to the see more, and now we will get more items that are available, and that is 18, and the list goes on. So for example, we will take any category and take a micro niche domain. For example, we will take this product, wrinkle remover. So we will see its search volume. So here, show the volume. Look at 2900 searches in a month. So it is a good product. We will see if there is any .com domain is available for this keyword. So its domain is already taken. So we will search for any other product. Moreover, you can use Amazon product search bar, cutlery, and we will search for the cutlery holder. Here is, look at cutlery holders, and cutlery holder sets the product is available. Show the data, how many search volume is 1300, and now we will see if domain is available. So we will go to the Namecheap and we will see any .com domain is available. This will be, I think, $100 minimum, $100 domain, because if this domain rank good on a search engine, then it will get almost approximate 500 searches in a month. If it is a good SEO site, then this domain is available, cutlery holder, in $9, and you can renew this domain at $13 from Namecheap. So if you are getting first time this domain and creating a new account on Namecheap, then you can get this domain in only $5.98. So in this way you can pick the micro niche category domain name easily, and you can build your own website and create affiliate site, and you can also create a blog on any niche. There are thousands of categories available, so you can pick any category. And the second way is with the marketplace domains. So you will go to domains and you will go to the marketplace, and now, so this is Namecheap marketplace, where you can put your sites on auctions and you can sell your domains too. So, and these are the lot of categories are available, and such as popular, closeouts, favorites, SEO friendly, and you can search many domains. Moreover, you can search for your targeted keyword. I will go for any leather domain. So look at there are a lot of domains available, and that is available in $15, and you can further make filters like you can lock the .com domains only, and that will filter only .com domains, and you can set up the price bar and the name length, and from here if you like any domain you can bid it. And the second option is you can go to the buy now section. The buy now section provides you the domain at the fixed price, and you will just have to add to cart, no bidding, no wait. You will just add to cart the domain. If you like any domain like previous one, you can search for .com domains or any extension you want, and you can also search for keyword domains such as leather gloves. I'll go for leather gloves. So these are the leather gloves domains that are available, like a lot of domains available. If you like anyone, you can type any keyword there, and you can pick the domain name from marketplace. And here at marketplace you can also sell your domains at buy now section. Once you have domain in your account, then you can also sell these domains on Namecheap marketplace. I think this is a good platform to buy domains and to sell domain. And now we will go to the domain name search, and we will explore our third method. We will go for domain name search such as leather gloves, and here we will explore with our third method. The next tool at Namecheap is the Namecheap generator, and this will generate domains for you. You can lock the .com or any extension, and it will also generate logo for you. And so we will press generate. Namecheap is processing our request, and it's showing that these are the premium domains. Okay, leather the .com, it is available in $9. A lot of domains available, so you can use any keyword, so it will generate a lot of ideas. So you can use this tool and explore more things and more related keywords, and you can find a lot of domains. So hope you will enjoy the video. The next video will be very important, and that will be related to the expired domains and how you will get an expired domain. And so stay tuned and stay connected.